Hello, it's Bill. How is everybody doing? I have an eastbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Sorry about the tractor or whatever this thing is. When we flip it around, you'll see it. 7123. Got a beep out of that one, even though I don't think they were supposed to do it. But that's okay. Yeah, excavator something. I don't know why it's there, but they must be doing something. Alright, flip it around. Yeah, I've been looking at tripods. I think I just found one. It goes about 6 feet high. Got a place I can hang stuff on it. As soon as I get paid, I'll pick it up and hopefully it'll be better. Well, happy Friday, everybody. We made it through, and boy, that was another quick week, wasn't it? Seems like the weeks are going faster and faster and faster. Well, I'm up to 9,008 views. The goal is 10,000. So far, so good. I want to thank every one of you, for making that happen. Oh, here comes the end. Now, I can't film on pines because they got a big, huge mound of dirt. I can get back into the schoolyard and film if I want to. Well, there's that train. I don't know if that one's going to move. Alright, I'm going to shut the camera off. I'm going to stay here for a little longer. I don't have to go to work for another hour, so. Alright, everybody take care. Bill out. Happy Friday.